popcorn, your Spanish stone and cartel one.
Mr. Andrew Oldness, may I beg you please?
The 21st, and my birthday, you understand? And you would look away for your dead for your birthday.
A new and glorious morn.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Dutty New Year. Well, not really Dutty. We're going to start 2025. Dutty is going to be a prosperous, lovely, a very energy-filled 2025 because I'm going to dub the next year the year of do. Now, I'm going to take a little time off and relax and enjoy the season. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end because you might not see me until Black History Month. Anyway, we have several topics we're going to talk about from Kartel to Aunty Donna and everything we are going on TikTok. So let's get into it, okay?
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, boss cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Aunty Donna versus Shein. Me online. Alright, burritos now. So, you know Aunty Donna, man. Miss 99 herself down a Mountain View. So, Aunty Donna recently, after, I think, Television Jamaica put out a story.
They say the rise of online shopping has significantly impacted local sales.
This is rough, son of fun, me down here wicked and grimy. Look on the shoes. And when them buy online, sometimes they don't get nothing good. You know, see it, so we have to read something right that's on the market for a good price. So let's walk in the farmer market, man, and support way. Yeah, year to year seller, right? That's over there. You see it.
Talking about the fact that the higglers, the hustlers downtown were not having a good season, that they never felt like they were getting a lot of support from buyers. So Aunty Donna saw this now and she put out a plea urging people to support the local vendors them and to stop a shop and Temu and all kind of things. So you can go check out what she said right here.
Wanna stop by clothes off a Shein and support the Eagle. Downtown used to be festive. All at night time downtown full. Nothing now sell downtown because of Shein. The store people them a ball. Everybody about the people them, the young people them gone pan Shein. Lord have mercy and Temu and AliExpress. Everybody about what wanna tap it now? You know hear me say? I not say you can't buy half a Shein. And the whole heap of shipping company them will come up now and take the people their money for them to buy the things them pan Shein. Everything where they don't at town now sell because of Shein.
Yeah, man. But you see, after Aunty Donna did her plea, the people them never did have it. Everybody jump out, want to give them 2 cents for the matter. And basically, I tell Aunty Donna says she must hush because the vendors them downtown, they're getting away with too much. And Shein give them the things at a very cheap price.
Aunty Donna, all when I reach me yard, I have to fix you. You hurt my feelings. You hurt my Shein feelings. Don't ever touch Aunty Shein. You crazy? Shein and Aunty for enough away. Why you don't tell the people them say you that far, you got far and go buy how much clothes and come here and sell them at your gate? Why you do it to the vendor them, Aunty Donna? Why you do it to the vendor them? Why you box food out of the vendor them mouth?
Why, Aunty Donna? Aunty Donna? I saw in our ear, just make peace reign, yeah? Me hear y'all say people top shop over Shein and support the Eagles them out here. Aunty Donna, me go on Shein, go see one shirt for $1. And me come out here and see people sell for 5,000 and 6,000. So that's why we buy it over Shein. So when me go say to you, Aunty Donna, focus on your cake.
Ah, Lord of mercy. No, you hear them say? So, burritos, let me know, what is your take on this situation? Now, for me, I'm very much like, you know, I understand, but the culture of shopping is changing. People want the convenience. It's not like back in the day when I had a grandmarking time during Christmas. Mother up and down with my family, and, you know, you buy things on the road and by Boxing Day, you want everybody on the street having the same shirt, shoes, and pants, right? But them something they don't know. People want to forget the convenience of doing it at their home at on them fingertips. So let me know, Burritos, are you still shopping downtown or are you still going to rock with the Temu and the Sheins and the Amazons of the world? Sound off in the comments. Number 9, PNP Ho Holy Night. Our Burritos know what it look like. Say, this has become altogether sing for the People's National Party because yes, man, the president of the PNP, Mark Golding, run out very strong ahead of the Christmas holiday, and so he teamed up with Natalie Nita Headley, and they did a quite a decent rendition of Holy Night. Take a listen.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees.
Boy, you know, yeah, man. Okay, all right. Him sing like how him talk. Golden, yeah, that's a bad effort. But I realize, say, Miss Nita Edley, no, she have a nice little voice. She have a little, you know, a nice little tone to it. And she did well. They did well. But at this point, now, I'm like, Andrew Holness, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, like, you know, so you have 24 hours to respond. Because I can't make the PNP run out, so I either have to come back. So what me hear online, people are say, you must link up Babsy Grange and the two want to do something like Rappa Pom Pom, or you can do Silent Night. Or, you know, if you really want to take the crowd, do Mariah Carey All I Want for Christmas. That is it, Burritos. What do you think? You agree? Sound off below. Number 8, Pampute versus Barbara. Fix things. All right, Burritos know. So Pampute was recently on the Fix podcast where she addressed social media personality Barbara. After some time ago, Barbara did come online now and did a talk about her. I know the old things that she just supposed to get microwave and never get a microwave and, you know, all of that cas. But Pampute decided to show up on the Fix and to clear the air. And it's not just she. She also talked about Shelly and Kuran, and she spoke about Rosalie as well. Take a listen.
Run the joke with me coming out, run the joke with no. And cause someone who wants some things long time, so now do it as joke. No, run the joke with me. No, run the joke with me coming out, run the joke with no. Cause one thing with me, if I feel like me have a little dirt for me, I just tip to the beach for me, I just be it. And spend time in the bathroom, cause that's with some of them. Yeah. And I want to tell Rosalie, spend time in the bathroom and beard. Cause remember you have excess baggage.
That's crazy.
Yeah, man, spend time in the bathroom and beard, man. I want to tell Barbara say she needs for beard to fix for her teeth them. For her teeth them, if you take out one by one and brush them, you know. But it's true when them call my name, I eat brush them teeth. Calling my name, I eat brush them teeth.
Iris Diner around there.
What's your name? But the woman name we go up with it, what's your name? Shelly.
Shelly,
but
yeah.
wish she get all a new because she don't have none.
Oh, that's crazy.
You understand? But wish them all the best.
I'm done.
Ari Rodian need a doctor right now.
Remember say Shelly miss me, you know. Shelly no have no the spot she have.
Shelly,
so I wish them all the best.
Person that know
because coming with some old here, I give them dirty people here some old here. Me say Jaja.
Wow, now man, that is how you fix things. Like Jesus P, man, the girl say you must take time with your mouth and brush teeth and Pampute, oh Lord have mercy. Pampute doesn't get cross like this very often, you know, but when she does, it is quite a read. Boy, oh boy. Burritos, what would you have to make of this situation? Sound off below. Number 7, Ali Bridgerton. All right, Burritos know, so most of the time when you talk about TikTok, it's always some very sad, messed up stories. But thank God for them people here who decided to bring a little amusement to the TikTok streets. Well, there is a young lady by the name of Ali, and she decided to put on the little English accent, the little Bridgerton vibe, and create a very much a world where you're watching like Jamaican version of Bridgerton live from the TikTok screens. Take a listen.
Honestly.
One time I was with this scammer boy
He said it's the tightest grip he's ever felt.
He's going to tell you that because you're royalty and he wants money. He would scam you of everything you have.
No!
Yes, he would.
The scammer boy is rich.
The scammer boy is a thief.
Who cares? He was very, rat-bat-like, if you ask me. Chopper of the choppiest chopping. What about you?
I've never been with a scammer.
Not once. They're always on something.
There was once a man that scammed my heart.
Who was it?
The Viscount.
Again?
Yes, again.
Who are you going to the ball with later?
The Duke and the Viscount will be present and I will give them turns. I will arrive on the Duke's arms and I will leave with the Viscount in my belly.
Marry her.
Colin is such a beautiful sight.
Take your eyes off of Penelope's man.
He doesn't want her. She's fat. She can't please...
How dare you?
She can't please him.
She can. A measly sit down and grind on his cock and he'll be happy. And so will she.
Do not bore me with their boring sexual activities.
Okay.
I need not hear about it.
No, this is the type of vibe. These are the type of things when I love to see more on the app because we're tired of the devastation. I like that them bring something fresh, something new, and something that is very much entertaining to the space, even though it's a little bit kind of rare and careless when it's ready. But me like say, you know, they might bring something different. So big up yourself, Alina, man, and like more work you and your friend run at the back. We're still not sure our face yet. Oh gosh. Number 6, Google knows patois. I don't know if me like this in the readers, you know. I don't know about Google Translate. Them know every language under the sun, but now they have added patois to the lineup. Just take a look. You know, I'm gonna clap, but I don't know if I really want to clap about this because patois is one of them little things that Jamaica you want for all sacred. You don't want other people are running and really know it. And now that there's a Google Translate now, we're not gonna really can go to abroad and also chat to people in business and certain things now. They can't one up on we. We don't love that for you know. Look like we have to go deeper in our patois. We have to go into the basilectal farm. We have to go run when we go overseas. We have to go to the basilectal farm. Like which one of the parish them have the really racha patois? St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth and you have some. St. Elizabeth alone. Okay, we have to go try for work for the deep rural basilectal patois so we can trick the crowd again. But I guess this is good Google Translate. All right. Number 5, Bridon Tik Tok Ban. Alright, burritos now. So the drift choreographer by the name of Bridon, he some time ago put out this message urging the Prime Minister to ban TikTok. Take a listen.
Mr. Andrew Holness, may I beg you please, do one thing for me. Ban TikTok from Jamaica. Do me I beg you. TikTok was for dancing, fun, and happiness. And now I find out that TikTok is for crime and violence and cussing. Nobody not happy again. Nobody now do no happiness. Nobody now make no rude.
No man, the brother run out very strong with the messaging, you know, like I'm like, oh, okay. That's what he had to say. All right, and many people did not like it. Many people said that for somebody who got popular because of the drift dance that you know went viral on TikTok, he should not be saying it. Listen to what they said.
I want to send out a message. Because Dance and Bridon wants Prime Minister to Andrew Holness to ban TikTok in Jamaica. I want to send out a message to Bridon, but I want to hear what I say first.
Mr. Andrew Holness, may I beg you please, do one thing for me. Ban TikTok from Jamaica. Do me I beg you. TikTok was for dancing, fun.
I don't need to hear this. All I know is I don't agree. You have one of the people in the comments and say, yeah man, ban it for true. You think that's a solution? Whatever we go on TikTok, you know, feel like our next app going to come. When all the fools is going to go and say that is not the solution. I feel ban some of the people in the panel. Some people will ban and fight. And you say like, oh, are you Bridon? Can't believe you said this, bro. I said for banning, you first get banned, Bridon. I mean, have a list of why people them go get banned. If you ever tell somebody on live to go set their mother, ban. Rosalie, ban. That's about it. But you can't come say, ban the app, bro. Bad man, give me that. Remember say, TikTok changed your life just like how it changed my life too, you know. Remember your biggest accomplishment was drift, you know. Your dance reaching a fortnight, you know. They call it the biggest game in the world, you know. Your dance stay in a fortnight, see me, you know, bro. And that was because of TikTok. If I never did TikTok, that would have done. You could be first Jamaican have a dance in a TikTok in a fortnight. Can be done if I never for TikTok. TikTok changed my life. TikTok made me live my dream. I'm going to say, I hope one day my creativity, I can live off it and I get paid for it. I hope one day as a creator, corporate Jamaica can notice me and start giving me some money for me talent and my creativity. And I literally live my dream right now, bro. So me would want TikTok ban because I know it do good. It do good for me, it do good for you, and it do good for all the people, bro. So you saying you want app ban is just crazy, bro. It's just crazy. One to the people who come, one to the creator them just come, but this will be a platform. Don't we go start over from zero again? Bro, none of this is easy. You know?
If boy when you're happy done or Gabby done, you're smarty. Me ask you if you're smarty Gabby done. Remember say a TikTok bus drift. Big up to TJ. But members are TikTok bus drift. And a TikTok bus your dance. And a TikTok make people know how you do your dance on your drift. So now, you are going to come and talk about Andrew Owen's black TikTok. Black TikTok. Nothing wrong with TikTok. Are the dirty people them over here. Are them my problem? TikTok are class crime. Crime they are long before TikTok. And crime are there long after TikTok gone. Gabidan, you're smarty, Gabidan. You're smarty. But you hear the all over the world now with TJ bust you and TJ make you start and I'm fool. Members you look lax you to frowns, you know, Gabidan. You're not nobody, you know. You're smarty. You're smarty, Gabidan. Go from us, man. I'm not going like you're smarty now. Go. You're smarty.
You know, ultimately, like, when you look at all the way going on TikTok and you see how Jamaican people have really been manipulating the space and so much negativity has come forth. Maybe not a ban, but maybe a little timeout. Maybe a little timeout, and we need to go one side, go reflect as a people before we get back TikTok, because today's TikTok is not the TikTok of COVID. Okay, so Gabidan, me understand your messaging, but me don't know, the people not rock with it because them still want to do them tops and roses and make money. But maybe after hearing what happened to Bossed and the Naya, maybe people will be like, maybe we need to take a little break from it. So let me know what your thoughts are, burritos. Number 4, but RIP. Alright, burritos know. So yeah, this is now 2 weeks and another TikToker has been slain while on live. I know we spoke about Naya Gang some time ago.
Naya, you're there. I'll turn on your me not understand this.
I know another TikToker by the name of Bossed was shot and killed while at just getting his hair done.
Yo, anybody funny up over here, so funny bomb buckler up over here, so on IG, we can build posters, DM me quick.
24 hours, less than 24 hours before his birthday. And so the images them online, you know, I'm not going to show them, but you can go check them out if you don't want to go check them out and see these type of things. I don't know, but yeah, a little bit graphic. And it's just very sad. And so the TikTok community now, of course, was sent into mourning, and a lot of people are devastated. People are feeling unsafe and not wanting to post while live. And so there are so many things that I could talk about the situation. And I think at the end of the day, I just want to say, like, as Jamaican people, we're always looking for a scapegoat. We're looking for something to blame, but I always say that TikTok is a microcosm of the general society. And so without TikTok, these things would be happening. TikTok is just reinforcing and regurgitating all of what did already take place in a society. So there are people who are on the app, and we know them as TikTokers, but they have lives before TikTok. They are part of, you know, several different things. They hear the police force. I talk about, you have an element to like lottery scamming, and so many things are a part of it. And it's just sad that most of the times when people are trying to turn them lives around and do better for themselves is when these type of moments happen. So burritos, just be safe in the streets. If you have friends who are influencers, just remind them to be mindful of, you know, the things that they share and post online. That's my 2 cents for now.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
See, there you could have right to say with me now I enjoy the caramel porridge. Look, but they are on Dally. Little did you know Dally don't cook. See, they know you have to leave a restaurant. Don't ball to me, ball to God.
Number 3, Juicy Beef versus Thunder TV. Our burritos know, so if you don't know about the saga here, you're definitely not on TikTok. So some time ago now, there is Juicy Beef to that video, with, what's her name again? Lee Not Nice, in social media personality. Take a look.
I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? United States? UK? Which part you say you're Canada?
Yes, so you know that video that did that Lee Not Nice did with Juicy Beef, you know, that was a partnership, a paid partnership, I'm assuming. They actually used the voiceover of another TikToker by the name of Thunder TV. Now, this voiceover actually went viral and many people on the app utilized it, right? But you see, when Juicy Beef decided to go use Thunder TV sound but not use Thunder, but instead have Lee Not Nice in the video, the social media community and the fans of Thunder came out strongly to support her. Take a look.
The Juicy Beef Thunder saga. So this topic has come at a time where I'm actually doing that same topic in my class. So last night in my class, we were talking about intellectual property. So a student posted, I think, Abigail's video. I didn't see the video until I got home, where my other friends were sending me the video with Thunder and Juicy Beef, etc. No, Juicy Beef knew what they were doing. I mean, everybody, they're in marketing, they're in corporate Jamaica. Intellectual property right is a big thing now. Everybody knows about intellectual property rights. We have our own Jamaica Intellectual Property Rights Office. Recently, they even came to my class and do a presentation. So they're well in the know. Don't let them fool you with that letter, that PR note going forward, blah, blah. They knew exactly what they were doing. My issue is a disregard.
Yeah, man, and subsequently, Juicy Beef had to take down the video, and Thunder TV posted a reaction basically talking about she felt like it was a little bit of colorism, etc., etc. And it got to the point, you know, where because of the backlash, Juicy Beef reached out to her and actually partnered with her for some UE initiative about getting food supplies to students, which I definitely find commendable. But all in this saga, burritos, I just have to say is that most of the times with corporate Jamaica, I always have people who are look on the optics of things, you know. I'm sure they were just probably thinking, say, yo, this is a trending song, or just I go to the video. They might have given that decision up to Lee Not Nice, and she was just like, okay, me go do it. But the optics and how things look when you realize you actually have an influencer in the space who originated and came up with that audio, it would have made sense brand-wise to just feature that up-and-coming creative. Because you know how the space there right now. So Juicy, good on, I guess, you know, making good with Thunder, and Thunder, nice that you were able to accept their I guess, apology and work with them. But let me know what you thought about this saga. You think Thunder should have run go over Tasties? Sound off below. Number 2, Kartel on The Fix. Burritos, this is quite shocking because let me tell you now, say Freedom Street concert is fastly approaching. And leading up, Kartel has been teasing that he might be doing an interview with Walk and Talk on his podcast. People that said maybe they'll go over to Jeffrey, but Kartel went to the tested, tried and proven The Fix. Yes, man, them is legacy brand. And so I had an idea that he was going to work with The Fix because all of the Gaza members have been having an interview on that platform. So it would have only made sense because, them know the little journalistic elements, they ask pretty good questions, and them have them together, especially in 2024, right? And so when we see this picture pop up now with Kartel over there, I say, all right, see it here now, this is soup, pressure time. How will Jeffrey react? Like, the brain go, cause, the competition vibes. And what has been trending is this bit of the interview with Kartel, I guess, talking about Shalom and touching on, Sir P's remarks. Take a look.
Popcorn, your Spanish stone and Kartel. What?
You suck. You remove your and come down.
Boy, if this not make you want to watch the interview, I do not know what else will. Because one thing with Kartel, say what you want about Vybz Kartel, that brother is entertaining. The brother know how to captivate the audience and to talk and make you walking away and starting a conversation. Kartel is very good at that. He know how to work the media. So I know this interview is going to have several moments, so we just wait for the fix to drop it. But Bridon, let me know, what did you make of his Shalom Sir P impression? Sound off below. And number 1 goes to Jamaican scammers. What? Me can't. Alright, me go clap. But you know, understand. The Dutty Berry Show does not approve of scamming. Woo! Disclaimer. Woo! Number 1 goes to Jamaican scammers. Woo! Alright, it's Christmas season, so you know, so the scamming is very ripe. Alright, and so I'm going to touch on 2 videos. The first video now comes from Joel Numdarcom. And so he posted a video to TikTok now detailing how he handled a situation where he got a call from a scammer. Take a look.
Good morning, I want to tell you that you want a Samsung from Flow. I'm like, all right, I have like a time on my hand. The girl right over here at the hairdresser in there with the we put the phone on speaker. He's like, I just want a Samsung from Flow. So I'm like, oh my God, Christmas come early. so come on, like, more have a really fruitful conversation. The man's like, yeah, Christmas come early, Christmas come early. Which parish are you in now? I said, Portland. You know, Portland. He's like, yeah. How long you been a Flow customer? So I say, you're not supposed to know that you're not been a sister. You know, so the man time for something, mother. I felt so offended, and I'm like, I just want to have a conversation.
That is exactly how them carried on, and it looked like some more and more Jamaicans are catching the scammers quickly and knowing how to communicate with them once they up. And so now another scammer now approached Jamaican, producer, dancehall international recording producer, Russian, and this time now Russian actually go record it now and detail the entire conversation. Take a listen and go straight to the end.
And the price is $9 million? Yes, $9.8 million, all right? And you will also receive a brand new 2025 automobile, which is a GMC 4x4 pickup truck, color black. Okay, so if I go and get this card, what's the next step? The next step is to provide the numbers to me so I can get them registered by the federal government of your state, so we can get the go-ahead and the green flag so we can come on over, all right? Okay, so I'm gonna go to the Kroger to get this, but can you do me a favor first? Listen. When you go to the Cougars, you have to buy the card. Remember, you can't go to the store and pick up the card. That would be stealing, all right? How much is the card? When I say the card is for only $199.95. When you go to the Cougars, it's not like you're gonna be giving your money away to the cashier or anyone. Your cash gonna be on your card, in your position, all right? Once you have the card, you have the $199 on it in your position. So the only thing we need off the card is the verification numbers to get you registered and signed up in the system, so we get the green flag to come on over. Okay, right? How much money do I have to add onto the card after? The only thing you're going to be putting on the card is the $199, all right, to get the card activated from the store. Oh, okay, right? I understand. Yeah. Yes. Okay, hold on 1 second. Can you do me one favor? 1 second. Hello? Yes, I'm here. Yeah, can you do me one favor to explain? Yes. Go and suck pussy.
That is how you deal with them, Russian. That is it. And I found it so fascinating. Like, as soon as Russian go tell the youth that at the end, the youth I reply and I cuss him off like say, you don't realize that you in the wrong. No, you know, just stick with yourself. But with Jamaican people, with ego can't allow us for you make us feel shame. You have to go tell you about your parts too, even though we're in the wrong. Lord of His mercy, Burritos, let me know, would you have dealt with it like Joel and Russian, or you feel like you would have catch the rake and make them scam you out of your money? Like, sound off below Burritos. Well, that's it. We've come to the end of the social media countdown. It's going to be the last social media countdown of 2024. Make sure you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. I have other things lined up for in 2025, some other programs on the channel. Hopefully, me get them done because I dub the year of do, because I do too much planning and conceptualizing in this year. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, X all over. And to advertise within the countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. All right, take care until next time. Merry Christmas, happy holiday seasons, greetings, all of that. Can you show? Oh, why am I keep on? Bye, burritos.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.